kanina, Madam Witness, sabi mo, kayo ay Department Manager sa Show Boulevard Branch. Now, ang tanong ko po, kailan po kayo nagsimula maging Department Manager ng Show Boulevard Branch? Kailan hanggang kailan po? Kung maalala po ninyo.
Nag-start po ako sa Land Bank Show Boulevard Branch noong May 2017 until po nung mag-retire ako ng January 2024.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, nandito po ngayon kayo sa impeachment court. Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, bakit po kayo nandito ngayong araw na to dito sa impeachment court kung alam po ninyo?
Nandito po ako sa araw na ito dahil po naka-receive po ako ng subpoena from the Honorable Impeachment Court to testify po yung knowledge ko regarding po doon sa impeachment trial po ngayon ni BP Sara Duterte.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ano naman po ang kinalaman ninyo sa impeachment trial ni BP Sara Duterte kung meron man po?
Tungkol po ito sa 4 na cheque po ng OVP na in-encash po sa Land Bank Show Boulevard nung ako po ay branch manager.
Okay. Ngayon, binanggit po ninyo 4 na cheque. Ano po itong 4 na cheque ang binabanggit po ninyo?
Yung 4 na cheque po ito ay nakapangalan po kay Miss Gina F. Acosta na may amount pong 125 million each.
Okay. Madam Witness, bakit naman po kayo pamilyar dito po sa 4 na cheque na binabanggit po ninyo?
Familiar po ako dito kasi ako po yung nag-oversee ng encashment na to nung ako po ay branch manager po ng Show Boulevard Branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, kung ipakikita po sa inyo itong 4 na cheque na in-encash po ninyo sa Show Boulevard Branch, pag ipakikita po ito sa inyo, itong kopyang ito, ma-identify po ba ninyo ito?
Opo.
Okay. Madam Witness,
Your Honor.
Yes, Counsel for Respondent, Attorney Paul. What is your pleasure?
Counsel is okay with just to expedite the proceedings, Your Honor, we are willing to stipulate that the witness has the ability to identify these checks.
okay.
Has the ability to identify the checks.
And we are also not questioning the authenticity of such checks, Your Honor.
For the reference of the senator judges, you're referring, Attorney Poa, to the 4 checks which are common exhibits of both parties.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Can we, just to confirm, Clerk of Court is directed to kindly show on the screen the checks being stipulated to and admitted by the respondent. It should be exhibit P128 to P128A1 for the prosecution and exhibit D1130 and D1130 OVP1. Is that it?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So this is one of the checks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly also show the other exhibits that the respondent is stipulating to so that the senator judges can catch up. Given that the respondent is stipulated to the aforementioned checks for 125 million each, dated December 20, 2022, January 31, 2023, April 18, 2023, and July 13, 2023, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Will you also stipulate, Counsel for Respondent, that these checks were encashed as well?
Yes, Your Honor. And that these checks were from the Treasury of the Philippines, and the payee was Gina Acosta, Your Honor.
So that these checks are authentic, that these checks were encashed by Gina Acosta, that these checks cover the face value of 125 million each, encashed on the dates mentioned by the respondent, and that it was encashed by Gina Acosta
As SDO, Your Honor. Yes.
as SDO. Given that the counsel for respondent has stipulated and so admitted these facts, counsel from the panel of prosecutors, kindly proceed with the other items given the stipulation by the counsel for respondent. There's no need for
Thank
this
you, Your
witness to
Honor.
testify in these matters anymore. Thank you, counsel
Okay,
for
thank you, Your
respondent.
Honor. Your Honor, Madam Witness, dahil po yung harap ng cheque ay inadmit na po ng ating defense, pupunta po tayo dun sa baba. Meron po ako nakikita dito sa screen na image na nakalagay po sa baba at ito po ay... asan ba yung ano natin? Ito po ay nakamarka bilang Exhibit P-Roman numeral 1-28-A-1. Madam Witness, ano po itong imahe na nakikita po natin sa baba? Kung alam po ninyo.
Sir, pwede po ba akong makahingi ng copy?
Okay.
Medyo
Your
malayo.
Honor, may we request...
Assisting counsel
may-
is authorized to approach the witness as well as assisting counsel from the respondent.
Okay, Your Honor,
Thank you.
my assisting counsel, Attorney Cristina Pasicolan, will approach the witness, Your Honor.
The clerk is instructed to kindly magnify the submarking being alluded to by the counsel from the panel of prosecutors.
Yung nasa baba po, na may marka po na binanggit ko pong exhibit.
Pakiulit po, please.
Dito po sa cheque, dito po sa screen natin, meron pong imahe. At meron po ditong nakamarkang Exhibit P-1, Roman numeral 1-28-A-1. Ano po itong imahe na to, kung alam po ninyo?
Yung po bang certified true copy po?
Huwag po kayong tumingin dito sa screen. Diyan po sa, yung imahe po, yan po.
Doon po sa isang malaking box.
Yung malaki. Ano po yan?
Ito po yung mga pirma po ng mga empleyado ko po noong time na na-encash po yung check.
Okay, nasaan po yan? Saan bahagi po ng cheque yan?
Doon po sa 3 boxes. So, yung,
Madam Witness, pwede pong pakilapit po yung inyong... pakilapit po sa mic, yung para marinig po tayo. Yan.
Okay.
Yan pong imahe dyan po, sa baba po ng, di ba, yung taas po, yan po yung harap ng cheque. Ano po yung imahe na nasa baba? Ano po yan?
bali po, ito po yung signature verified by po ang nakalagay. Pirma po ito ng aming verifier.
Okay, saan po nakalagay yan? Sa may,
Sa upper ano po.
sa
Yung
dorsal?
pong-
Sa
sa
dorsal
likod po
side
ng
ng
cheque.
cheque. Okay.
Opo.
Now,
Yung una
Madam
pong
Witness, dito po sa box na to, meron ditong 3 maliliit na box. Pwede po bang mai-request yung box na to na medyo palakihan at i-zoom po? I-zoom po, papalapit. Yan. Pwede po bang pataas? Pataas, paharap. Pa-rotate po, paki-rotate po, paki-rotate. Medyo mahirap pong tignan. Pwede po bang paki-rotate sa tech? Hindi pwede? Ay, hindi pwede. Okay. Madam Witness, hindi daw po pwede. Now, Madam Witness, dito po, ayun. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, dito po sa box na malaking to, meron po ditong 3 box na napansin ko. Doon po sa bandang kaliwa, na unang box, may nakalagay po dito, signature verified by. At sa baba po nito, meron pong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, kaninong pirma po to kung alam po ninyo?
Ang pirma pong ito ay kay verifier po ng branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pag pumirma ang verifier dito sa box na to, sa signature verified by, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng signature ng verifier ay na-verify niya po yung identity ng payee base po sa kanyang IDs na presinta. At the same time po, na-check niya rin po sa system na ito po ay may advice na galing po sa Office of the Vice President na pwede na pong i-release.
Okay.